I've been trying to paint this girl's portrait and or her sweet little doggy for, I don't know, many times. This is maybe a fifth time I've tried it. Here's a great picture of half of the face as I do the underpainting. Well, isn't that wonderful? Anyway, so I'm trying to do a watercolor, small photo. The photo's black and white, which that doesn't really help with certain things such as hair color. And here I'm painting a lot of stuff around the outside with a close-up of the face, so that's a great camera shot. Anyway, we got the underpainting there. She's got, okay, then that was the dog underpainting, so now we're going to do the other detail of the dog, or hopefully. So working very cautiously, and this seems to be good paper. I guess that's artist paper. And so if you make a mistake, you can just throw water on even dry paint and blot it up and it disappears. So that's a real plus for you know, an aspiring artist who really can't paint too good. So anyway, then developing slowly and trying to hold back on features, but okay, now finally do the eyes there. This face is really the wrong shape. His smile looks like the smile, but the face is somehow very subtly longer and than I have it here, and so I spent a lot of time trying to correct the face proportion, and didn't really come out that great. I mean, I guess it looks like a girl and her dog, but I don't know if I really have a likeness. I'm going to have to, the jury's out on that respect, but here I'm trying to make the face slightly longer and sort of fill in more on the body. And I'm late for work, but I'm sure that if I fix up those flowers, this thing will really pop. But first I'm going to see if we officially have a likeness. So lots of fun, fast portrait painting, girl and her dog in watercolor.